Coordinate plane. I can plot in all four coordinates of a coordinate plane. So let's go back and review the number line. So positive numbers have numbers on the right and negative numbers on the left for a number line. You need one number to plot points on a number line. You need two numbers to plot points on a coordinate plane. Coordinates are written like parenthesis, parenthesis, and you have two numbers inside separated by a comma. Some examples of coordinates are 2, 5. So if I were to graph that, I would start at my origin where they cross. I would go right 2 and up 5. This is my X and that's my Y. We're going to label the horizontal and the vertical axes. So the horizontal axis is Y, or X, as I wrote X. The vertical axis is Y. Coordinates are written using the variables X, Y. This is alphabetical order. You should be able to remember that. Alphabetical order. Coordinates are also called ordered pairs. Identify the X and Y values in the coordinates. So X equals 3, Y equals 5. The coordinate 0, 0 is called the origin. Plot the given coordinates on the axis. So remember, they're X, Y. So that means I'm going to start at the origin for all. I'm going to go to the right 3, or 3. My X value is 3, and my Y value is 2. So up and down is 2. Left and right is at the value 3. Negative 4, 3. So that means I'm going to go to negative 4 and to 3 on the Y. So if you look, I'm at negative 4 and 3. Negative 3, negative 3. So these are both at negative 3 on the X and the Y axis. And then 4, negative 2.5. And that is going to be halfway in between negative 3 and negative 2 and negative 3. So our quadrants, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we write these with Roman. So the type of points they contain, if I go over here to quadrant 1, my X values and my Y values are positive. If I look at quadrant 2, my X values are always negative, but my Y values are positive. Quadrant 3, both are negative. In quadrant 4, X will be positive and Y will be negative. So which quadrant uses two positive ordered pairs to plot a point? That's quadrant 1. So where would we plot this point? You know what? You can draw the coordinate plane if you need to. We're always going to start at the cross. I'm going to go to the left 2 and down 5. So that would be in my quadrant 3. Okay, your turn. You try it.